In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify with a quick and easy tutorial. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to set up your online store using Shopify. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard where the magic begins. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This is your command center where you can control every aspect of your online shop. Next, locate the online store option in the left-hand panel of your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage your store's themes. Think of themes as the backbone of your store's appearance. A great theme is crucial to catching the eye of potential customers. Now let's move on to importing a theme. Once you're on the themes page, look for the import theme button. Clicking this will allow you to upload a theme that you've previously downloaded or purchased. Ensuring you have a unique and appealing theme can really set your store apart from the competition. After you've successfully imported a theme, your next step is to visit the theme store by clicking the corresponding button. The theme store is a treasure trove of visually stunning themes. While browsing, you can choose a theme that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and vibe. Remember, a visually cohesive store not only attracts customers but also encourages them to return. With a theme chosen and applied, it's time to customize it to suit your specific needs. Click on the Customize button. This is where you can tinker with various settings to make your theme truly reflect your brand's identity. Customization involves adjusting aspects like your homepage layout, adding images, banners, and more, so take your time to explore and experiment. Within the theme customization, focus on editing the theme settings. Start with your logo, which acts as the visual representation of your brand. Upload your logo or create a simple one to give your store a professional touch. Then adjust the colors to match your brand's palette. The intuitive color picker in Shopify makes it simple to change the look and feel of your store with just a few clicks. Next, move on to typography. The fonts you choose can significantly impact the readability and personality of your store, so select fonts that are consistent with your brand's voice. Finally, don't forget to check the theme style settings. Here you can choose a style preset that enhances your store's visual consistency. Layering a theme style can provide a polished, professional look that resonates with your audience, and there you have it, a streamlined process for setting up your Shopify store. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an online store that's not only functional but also visually captivating and true to your brand. Happy selling?